A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. So, students, in our last class, we had just started this chapter 7, MS Excel 2010, and we had completed up to here. And today we will start from here. So, working with cells. A cell is a small rectangular area into which data is entered. The position of cell is described by the intersection of row and column. When any row and column intersect each other, that place is called cell. This is a cell, this is a cell, like this. Each cell can contain 32,767 characters. Each cell has an addresses which displays the row and column it lies in. For example, the cell shown here is a here is B2. B and the 2. Okay, B2. This the number of this cell is B2. This is C2. This is D2. This is D1. This is E1, like this. Understood? This is considered as the active cell now. The name of the, you can see this is active cell. Where the cursor is, we put cursor somewhere in the spreadsheet, then it is active cell. Active cells appears in the name box. Name box is located to the left side of the formula bar. It is let's learn the way in which you can work with cells and cell contained in MS Excel. Selecting a cell. Here's the process given how to select a cell. So for selecting a cell, we just have to put our cursor here and we have to drag it. Point your cursor in the first cell and range to be selected. Click and drag your mouse until all of the adjoining cells are highlighted. You can see here. Now, inserting content in a cell. Inserting content. To insert content in a cell, follow the steps. Select a cell in which you want to insert any content. You have to just select it, type the content from keyboard. You just have to click here and you just can start typing from your keyboard and press enter. Whatever you will write, it will be here. Like you can see here, you just have to click on the cell and you have to start writing on that. Deleting content in the cell or cells. You just have to select an option, clear content. Okay, you can see in home tab under editing group, click clear option. In home tab under editing, you just have to click on clear option and select clear content. Whatever you have written, it will be erased. Deleting cell or cells. How to delete cells or cell? Here we are talking about deleting content, means whatever you have written, how to delete that. Now here, if you want to delete this cell, this is a procedure how to delete this cell is given. So select the cell or cells, whatever select you want to whatever cell you want to delete, you have to select that. Click on delete option in the cells group. In cells group, there is an option delete. The drop down menu appears. The delete cell option, you just have to click that, and there is a difference between deleting the content and cell and deleting the cells itself. Whenever you will click on delete cell, it will just vanish from here. ये गायब हो जाएगा from this place by deleting option. Copying and pasting cell content. To copy and paste cell contents, follow the steps. Here you can see, to copy and paste, select the copy option, copy icon in the clipboard group. In the clipboard group, there is a copy option. You can see this. Now click on the cells where you want to paste the content. If you want to paste that here, just have to copy. जब copy करेंगे तो इस तरह से mark हो दिखने लग जाएगा, और जैसे हम सेलेक्ट करके यहाँ पे पेस्ट करेंगे विद दिस पेस्ट ऑप्शन, तो यहाँ पे वो ऑटोमेटिकली पेस्ट हो जाएगा लाइक दिस. Cutting and pasting cell content. To cut and paste cell content, follow the steps. How to cut? Click the cut icon. We have to put our cursor whatever we want to cut and just click on the cursor cut option, like this Caesar on the clipboard group. We can see this cut option and we will click on that and it will be cut. And for pasting, somewhere we have to put our cursor and we have to select paste option. It will paste like this. Now, dragging and dropping cell. To drag the and drop cells, follow the steps. Select the cells or cell. We just have to select. Now move your mouse pointer to the edge and select the cell. We just have to click on that the edge of the mouse pointer. We have to click and it will come here or somewhere wherever you want. Press the left mouse button and drag. You just have to press the left side mouse button, this side mouse button, and just have to hold it, and that particular will move to wherever you want to put that. Using the fill handle of the fill cells, you can see how to use fill handle. The fill handle is used to fill the cells with same contents. To use the fill handles, follow the steps. Select the cells which has the content you want to fill in the other cells. Move your mouse from the edge of the cell. You will notice that the cursor changes the shape. Then from white cross to black cross. Press left mouse button and drag over the cells you want to fill. Release the mouse button and your cell will be filled. You just have to click on the edge. Here you have to click, and when you will click here and you have to drag, it will go like down like this. We see calculation using AutoSum. How to use AutoSum here? This is very simple thing. Select the cells with the data. We just have to select first of all. Extend the selection. When we extend the selection means we have to take one more cell there. In the given example, you can see B2, this is B2 to B4 data and summed up. Then we have selected cells up to B2 to B5. B5 तक select किया है. Click AutoSum icon, this icon on the home tab by the editing group. Alternately press enter. जैसे ही हम AutoSum में जाके इस icon पे click करेंगे, editing group में हमें मिलेगा ये, और enter कर देंगे, the answer will come automatically there. Saving a workbook. How to save it? Click the file tab. File tab पे click करना है. And select save. The select save as dialog box appear. Select the file in which you want to save workbook. Enter a name for workbook in the file name. Click save. Your workbook will be saved in the selected folder with .xls extension. Understand? Like this. Wherever you want to save it, you have to save like this. Now quitting MS Excel. How to quit MS Excel? Click on file tab. Click on exit. Alternatively click the close button. Here on the tile bar, the MS Excel window will be closed. If you quit MS Excel without saving the file, MS Excel will prompt you to save it. You have to save it before quitting. हमें बंद करने से पहले हमें ऐसा एक बॉक्स आएगा, आपको सेव करना है, सेव नहीं करना है, whatever you want to click, you have to click. It's important. Okay, so students, you have to learn all these keywords, key points. All these key points you all have to learn and find out the answers of the fill in the blanks and true false. Okay, and I will send you the answers of some of the questions on a separate sheet, but some of the answer you have to find out from book. Okay, students, so that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, complete your assignments and take care. Good day.